today, and we're gonna do a pool video. And we're just gonna do a couple tricks in the air. Panda here is going to show me a trick, and then I have to do it. I need my goggles. Let's get started. I need my goggles. So, Panda, show me a trick, and I'll do it.
You have a fly on your face, right guy? There's a fly on your face.
That's kind of itchy. Okay, are you ready? Yeah.
Oh.
Is that a diver or what? I don't know, just go. Just do what I did. Oh, okay. I didn't even see it. You didn't? Okay, Riley, my guy. Okay, do another one. Okay. Wait, can I do the same one and see if you can do it? Because that was a belly flop. Okay, do a belly flop. Okay. Anyway. Okay, I'll do this. I'll do this.
No. We can't do those. Backwards, you can hit your head.
Okay, then I'll do the first step. The first step?
Be careful of your head.
I always do them. Okay. Okay. Third one. Alright. I'm ready. Okay, belly flop. I've got the idea. I want to do it. I'll show you one. Okay, ready? Oh, yeah. What? Wait, I wasn't watching. Okay. Oh, okay. That's fine. Oh my God.
Two more.
What?
Two more, okay?
Okay. You show me one more, okay? And then you show me one more? Okay. What am I gonna do? Just do one. What? No, wait, I'm gonna do that. Okay. Is that the up? Failed. That was a failed. Yeah, by accident I kept my legs down. I'm gonna leave you like and stuff. Okay, now I'll show you one. Okay. Ready? Yep. Wait, what? I didn't see it. Okay, I'll show you again. I think I did, but I don't know what it is. Okay. And let's bow after. Do you like dab in the air? Yeah, dab and leg dab. Oh my God. Wait, which step? It's really, no, from the top step.
All right, Rye Guy and Panda, take a bow. Rye Guy and Panda.
Let's do it upside down. You did it. Wait, I need to do my finish. Stop the video when I do it.